Hey, John here. Welcome to my towel. This is an old bath towel of mine that's stretched around a panel to make an acoustic panel. A friend of mine, hey Mike, this one's for you, saw this in the background of a photo of my workspace and asked what the heck is a blue thing. Well, the bottom line is this is an old towel stretched over a frame that I got at Dick Blick's, which is like an art supply store. This is actually a gessoed canvas on a stretcher, pre-done. And it's really cheap. You can get like 5 of these for, I don't know, $15 normally. These go on sale every now and then if you go in the actual store, and they're like $10 for 5, okay? That's much simpler than making your own frame. Just go out and get them. So here's one that doesn't have a towel on it. Yeah, they look like this. You can see there's like a wooden frame here. They wrap around some canvas, staple gun it on, and it's pre-painted white. This stuff called gesso. And they come in a plastic covered thing. This one I had never opened. So this is what you get. And they weigh less than a half a pound each. I mean, these things are really cheap, really simple. And that's exactly what you want when you need to move them around your shop or whatever. Or you can also hang it on the wall. No big deal. Now, as you can see, I folded this towel in half. Here's the fold, right? So this is one towel folded in half and then wrapped around this frame. You can actually see this stripe along the edge of the towel. Here's the ends right here. And then I staple gun it on. I wrap it around this way, staple gun it this way, and you end up with these big wads in the corner because, you're hemming together these seams, right? You're folding here and there. You got all this extra towel. If you look closely, I guess this is an easier one to see. I just went in there with some scissors and cut these like triangular things out. Yeah, you still see a little bit of a pucker there, but it's not too bad. And you don't usually look at the back anyway. And these little things are not that big of a deal. And by the way, these are normally not in my shots anyway, so who cares? Now, why do you need these? Try listening to some of my earlier videos and see what difference it makes when you've got a couple of these around the room versus not. I got the idea from this guy here who shoots these, towels, panels versus store-bought ones and does some analytics. I'm not sure that this particular set of analytics that he does applies to my exact work environment, but this is where I actually got the idea to make my panels from. I got the idea for the frames by driving down the street one day and saw a sale sign in a Dick Blick's that I happen to be driving by. So $2 frame, $2 or $3 towel, even if you buy them new. Doing a quick search right now, of course, I can see that Sam's Club has I think these are the same towels. I really do. Of course, I don't know if I paid $25 for them when I bought them. It had to be 15, 20 years ago. But whatever, just for reference, I believe these are the towels in question. If you don't want to pay $25 for 6 towels, hit your local Salvation Army or a resale shop or something like that. I'm sure you can get a whole box full of them for $1 or $2. If you're watching my channel, you're probably going to want to record stuff about making things, right? So if you do, let me know about it. I'd like to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. See you next time.